From a genius lane pinching strategy to a setting you need to fix, these are the 7 things only pros do in Brawl Stars. You may have pinched your friends before, but have you ever pinched in Brawl Stars? Lane pinching is a technique where 2 of your teammates focus the same brawler not necessarily to kill them but in order to take their place or lane and get a more advantageous fight. This technique is super difficult to pull off properly and can be devastating when done wrong. But if you pull it off perfectly, it can win you the game. Speaking of good decisions, there's another thing that you need to consider when you're picking your brawler. The map and the mode. Different modes and maps cater to different brawlers, and knowing what brawler to play separate the pros from the average. Getting a triple kill with the super is one of the best things in Brawl Stars. However, pro players know that it's key to use your super at the perfect time, and sometimes this means saving them for the next fight or taking out the last line of defense in Brawl Ball. When you want to win your rank games, you need to make sure your brawlers work well together, but drafting isn't just about picking the strongest brawlers. Every pro player knows that you need a balance of movement, speed, range, health, damage, and CC in order to win a competitive match. Watching your own replays is one of the best ways to improve your gameplay. And this is why just about every pro spends a lot of time replaying their games so they can see their own mistakes and learn from them. In the past, when I play Brawl Stars, I always want to win the game as fast as possible. I want to kill the enemy now, but when you're playing a mode like Knockout, a bit of patience goes a long way. Very often, waiting for the smoke to appear before making your move to fight can assure you an easy victory, or if you've been playing Brawl, making sure that you get the ball into a good position can be more important than just rushing the enemy team right away. But personally, I don't have time for that. Have you ever wanted to become a pro by simply pressing a button? Well, you can actually do that. Sort of, you see, auto aim is always turned on automatically when you make a new Brawl Stars account, but when you switch it off and train your aim on your brawlers, you'll find yourself hitting way more shots and doing way more damage. And that's basically the 7 things that pros do in Brawl Stars. If you have any addition into our list, please don't be shy to comment it down below. If you can relate into this video, please don't forget to give this video a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.